let's answer the question, do I need a facial massage? Really, do I need one? And I want to begin by saying that facial massage is essential in your skincare routine. First of all, it can help you target your problem zones, like dull skin, wrinkles, puffiness, or even skin texture. It helps to detox your skin and even helps remove the dead skin cells. Secondly, if you do not have a lot of problem zones at the moment, you need the massage to prevent these or other problems in the future. In the end, what do we have? We have healthy blood flow, because massage will boost the skin circulation. We also have, we promote the lymph drainage. Yes, you will hear a lot about lymph drainage in this course. Massage will help us and give us the toned muscles, but at the same time, my favorite, it will help to relax them. You have no idea sometimes how much really tension we have built up on our face, these muscles. We might feel something in the jaw, but we very often don't even know how much tension there is in our forehead area. The great thing is that you can just do all this with your hands, just 2 hands. It is something I will recommend you to do first. Master the basic massage technique and then move forward. Because suppose you start thinking right now about some injections, pause and give this course and the facial massage a chance, give it a try, because you might get really surprised by the results. Of course, I do need to mention 2 things, quality and consistency. These 2 things will give you the results. Just knowledge alone, not so much, right? And once you see that almost any facial massage will take only 10 minutes of your time, you have no more excuses not to give yourself a spa level massage at home.